Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make a paper swan. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper given measurements and fold it into two equal halves. Press well to have crease on your paper. Open it and now fold upon the crease. Press well. Now from the other side, the same step. Equal the corner. Press well. Now again fold into a spine type shape from both the sides and press well. Now fold it into two halves as shown. Now fold the tip to the left side and press well. Alright. Now fold it upward according to the mark you folded. Alright. Now open it. Now press that mark as shown. You have to pull it upwards like this. Again press well to add more details. Now folding the tip. Pressing well. Open it and fold it inwards. Again, fold it and press well. Now again fold the tip. A bit inward as shown in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. So now the beak of the swan is typically done. Pressing well so that it may look detailed. Again folding. It inwards to add more details. And it's typically done. Alright, now from the back, fold it upwards. Now open it and fold it a bit inward. Alright, pressing well. Now from the bottom, press it into a leaf type shape, and then from the other side, the same step. Fold the tail. Open it and fold it a little inward. And now draw a little eye, and it's done.